subscribe, leave a like, hit the bell, do all those stuff. Maybe even share, get a little comment. Let's get started. Hello, welcome back to Scratch Up. Today we're going to show you how to make a mouse pointer clone device game. So let's first hit the create button. Now what we want to do is drag down a Window Factor script forever. Add an expansion. I'm going to hit pen. Let's grab down the erase all. Go to mouse pointer. Stamp. Now we have this really cool cloning thing. If you touch new clones, will rise out, and you can use your finger or your mouse to move them to different directions. You can save now, obviously. And when you hit the stop button, make sure you follow me on Scratch. My name is AJcodeing10 and I have tunes in Tunes 18. Alright, bye!